Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find comments that aren't showing on a video in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Step 2. Find the video you're interested in and click on the comments section to show all the comments. Step 3. Once the comments are visible, click on the Sort by Newest First option. This will arrange the comments in chronological order, with the newest comments appearing at the top. Step 4. Scroll through the comments to find your own comment. It's important to note that if you can't find your comment in the Newest First view, it's possible that it has been moderated by the channel or removed due to a policy violation. Finding comments that aren't showing can be a bit tricky, but by following these steps you'll have a better chance of locating your comment. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.